Wordsmiths, hello. You ought to know that I'm proud of you. I think you're great, and I respect you for your hard work and all the progress you're making. I admire you, and you inspire me. Those are our words for this video, admire and inspire. They rhyme, which is neat, but not the most important thing. Let's go over some definitions. Admire, admire. This is a verb, an action word, and it means to like and respect someone because of what they've done or what they're like. Inspire, inspire. This is also a verb, and it means to make someone want to do or be something. Admire has a very common prefix inside of it, a very common word part. Ad. It means to, at, or on. And the mire part means look or wonder. If any of you know Spanish, it's like the verb mirar, to look. So when you admire someone, you're looking at them, you're looking up to them, you're giving them attention that says, I think you're great. Inspire is also made up of two word parts. There's in, which quite handily means in, like inside, and then there's spire, which comes from the Latin word for breath. Something that inspires you, fills you with life. It's like breathing a deep breath of fresh air. It's also there in the word spirit, like energy or a soul. Let's use these words in some sentences, shall we? I've always admired chef and teacher Jacques Pepin, whose books taught me how to cook. I just think he's so cool. And he did a whole book about chickens. Like, it was a cookbook, right? But it was also full of stories and essays and paintings that he'd done, but just entirely about chickens. He's great. I learned so much from those books. Whenever I cook French food, I think about Jacques Pepin and how cool he is, because I admire him. I like and respect him because of what he did and what he's like. Okay, next sentence. My love of cheese inspired this invention, said Pamela, pointing to her Swissifyer machine. Her love of cheese inspired her. It made her want to do something, and that something was to build a machine that punched holes in cheese so that it looked like Swiss cheese. You know, we all come to the work of life with different goals. I can't judge, especially because I, too, love cheese. All right. Catch you in the next one, Wordsmiths. You can learn anything. David out.